Everybody, gonna pull out the Yihwa soldering iron, whatever. Do some soldering. So all of you can laugh at me. Say just, oh, he's so silly. Why is he soldering? He sucks at it. Anyway, yeah, I bought these kits. Big Clive he was doing some soldering practice and said, hey, if you want to do some soldering practice, he advised to get a few. And they're like these little dinky LED light thingies. And anyway, you take these things and you do some soldering. And they're cheap. I think I got 5 of them for like $3.50. It took forever for them to get here. Or no, it was $3.87, I think. $3.87. It took forever to get here. In fact, I thought they weren't, but they finally did. About 28 days coming from Chinatown in China. Well, not really. That's probably not appropriate to say. But yeah, came from China. Got them off of eBay. You can find them. They're pretty inexpensive. There's all sorts of kits, honestly. But pretty happy with it. I've already put one together. Put another couple together. I'm going to try to do this. So figure all some soldering here. Get everything on the board. Pretty simple, really. A couple of capacitors, 4 resistors. These are a couple of 22 microfarad capacitors, 50 volt rating. A couple transistors, a couple LEDs, and they give you these 2 little jumper wires. But I got some battery cases. I'm going to hook those up instead and use the jumper wires for something else. So right now I'm just putting in the components, and you know, the board's really good for what it is. It shows you where everything goes, and you know, here's your I'll use this. Here's your VCC, here's your ground, you know, your voltage coming in, current. LED, 510 ohm resistor, 510 ohm resistor, 33K resistor, 33K resistor, a couple of 9104 transistors. I don't know what those are. I'm dumb. Or ignorant, I guess is a better way to put it. But like I said, they're super cheap. And you know, I think Clive's point was great. They're great for practice. So I do some practice here. And then, you know, like if you got kids, like I do, you can give them these things, and they'll appreciate it. Because if I get this one working, got the first one working, I'll show you what they do. They just flash these blue LEDs. So, you know, there's nothing really special about it. But I guess another thing you could do is analyze them for parts. I don't know, you know, if you want. I don't know if that's really worth it, but yeah, whatever. Alright, this always gets me. Hang on, I'll be right back. Alright, so sorry I had to go. I don't have the LED numbers embedded in my skull like pros do. I'm just a scrub. So I have to go look it up. Pull out the colors. There's the 510s right here. I don't do anything special other than just to get them in there, and of course mine are going to look terrible, but hey, you know, as it works. And there's another resistor. Alright, now we got 2 more resistors to put into. These are the 33Ks. Go alongside the capacitors. One on one side, put that in. Try to straighten these up a bit when I'm actually working on them. Get them all in place. Probably not ideal, but I'll lock it in and then just solder. Trying a different approach. Last time I did component by component, and that worked, but it was kind of tedious because yeah, it's kind of tedious. So do it a little different this time. And let's see, LEDs, where's that flat? I guess I'll just do the positive. Positive, negative. And let's see, there's one LED. And here's the other LED. Turn my iron on. Alright. I gotta dig some solder out too. Hopefully I can do this so everybody can see my stupidity. Hopefully. Alright. Turn the solder a little bit. Alright, I guess I'll just start here at the bottom and work my way up. Take a look, make sure I did that right. Yeah, cold. Needs more. Needs more. Cut this up flat. Flat too. Oh yeah, that one's good. Snip the leads. And next one. Probably not ideal doing it this way, but I'm going to try it. And I will say that my, you've seen some other videos, my Yeehwa soldering iron, I'm actually really happy with it now that I've got it working. Got the heater replaced and all that, or the heating element replaced. It's done very well. I want to get in there. There we go. This tip might be a little big, but I'm not going to worry about it. Put those. Probably a little too much on that one. Well, let's see. I can get this thing out of the way because I'm stupid. There, come on. There we go. Had a lead, component lead, hanging around. Next up, let's do this one. Well, can't really get any along with that. Cut some more here. They're getting in the way. Pretty sure this approach isn't very optimal. Alright. I'll get this one. Clean the iron a bit. Alright, let's see here. This LED. Yeah, Big Clive's a master at this, but you know, gotta start somewhere. Yeah. All right. Cut those. All right. Let's see. Next one. And we'll keep going here. I'll do this one. That one. All right. Next up, let's see. So we'll hit this one. Curved up too much. All right, that was good. And let's see, get this one cut. And two more to go. I think that's a capacitor in the middle. No, there's one end of each capacitor actually. line and cut. Yep. Missed that one. All right, let's see here. Getting close. All right. Probably not going to look very good because I didn't really try to put everything out, but oh yeah, that's terrible. Stupid me. Whew. Should have done it the other way. That thing's about like a skyscrapers. Yeah, it'll work though. Still. I learned my lesson that time. Don't need to do it that way. You need to do a couple of components at a time. Anyway, all right. Let's get the wires. Got a battery with a switch. And I'm going to strip the wires, give myself a little extra here on the leads. What I'll do, what I found was first time I did this was helped to go a little long with the battery leads, and then find a spot to hold on to this. Get it in here. The other thing I need to make sure I know which is which. So ground is left. This is the ground here. I'm not going to fix the soldering, partly because that's right, this is coming in from the bottom. Nice thing is, no, sorry, this is coming in from the top. Nice thing is, this stuff is already pre-tinned, which is nice. You put them in. And in there. Alright, now alright, let's see here. Now we're gonna go and try to do those. Let's get it a little better. Alright, there we go. Last bit. No problem. I'm at the same problem I had before. Let's see if I can turn it. There. That'll hold. What I try to do is I try to bend it over, bend the lead over so it'll stay a little better, but sometimes it won't stay. Yeah, same problem with this one. It's twisting. Ah, had it. Still hot. There we go. So, the reason I do that is I try to, it gives a little, that bend, because I have like a bend. You know, here's the board and it comes up and the lead is bent over from the battery wire, and it helps hold it in place a little better. So, alright, I'll be right back. I'll get some batteries. Alright, got a couple batteries. Clean up here in a second. Put them in here if I did it right. All the lights will go blinky blinky. Like a, oh yeah, there you go. Nice and blinky blinky. We can turn it off, Turn it back on. That's all there is to it. But, you know, anyway, I'm trying to clean this up a bit. And get it to where it's a little better. I'll probably try to maybe push each leg in or something on some of these things. It's going to be a trick though. I'm not sure if it's worth it, but I don't know, maybe it's good practice. Let's see if I can do that. Not being too much of an idiot. These resistors are sky high. The rest of it's pretty good. Well, I say that. It's not bad. My first one was a lot better, but then again, I did that one component at a time, so which is part of it. All right, that first one's not bad. That second one is a bit. So I wonder if I can do it where I. How about this? Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to do this, but it's worth a shot. I can see. I can push on one end with this. Screw it, we'll try this. Yeah, I don't think it's possible. Nope. Yeah, it's not worth it. I'm going to break it if I try that. My mistake. It still works. Anyway, yep, so that's it. That's pretty much what it is. I'll zoom in a bit. You see it, it's like I said, there ain't much to it. Pretty basic stuff, but these are my screw-ups where I so these resistors are sky high, they should be lower. So, you know, whatever. Here they come. Here comes the soldering police. Anyway, thanks.